This is a 2017 Ford Mustang GT with the 5.0. We just did a rear muffler delete on there and added some nice 4.5 inch stainless double wall tips there. Fills up the hole there. It's nice and clean look there. No mufflers. It's going to wake it up. Give it a good rumble. Did leave the factory dual in, dual out resonator. It's got all the factory catch. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's hear it.